Yo, what's up, Frennies, and welcome to another episode of JanJai Reviews. And for today's video, we would be checking out a quick unboxing of a Samsung product, which is the Galaxy A73 5G. Let's go! Now, I'll not give like an in-depth review with the product. I'm just gonna show you a quick unboxing, what's inside the box, and what are a couple of features that I like with regard to the Galaxy A73. So if you're looking for a phone with a good quality in terms of its camera, this is already a good product. So the camera at the back, or the main camera, is 108 megapixels, which is already good compared to its competitors. So I picked a phone that, I'd say, almost has the same specs as the S22, although it's not a curved mobile phone, it still does its job. Hi, let's go. So here is the Samsung A73 5G. So at the back, so usually when you buy this from the Samsung store, it is still sealed. However, they would need to open it just to check the product. So it has already been unboxed. Here is the Samsung product. Here we go. So when I bought the phone, what came in the case is just a cord. So, but Samsung threw in an adapter, so I didn't have to buy one, which is good as well. So it still fits within the budget, and I didn't have to say overexpend just to buy an adapter with the phone, which is good. Now here is the phone itself. Just have to remove the plastic at the back. Hopefully I don't drop it, but just in case, I'm just gonna get my case, because I bought a case, a shockproof case as well, because I don't want to drop it. Alright, perfect. So I just fit in the case. It's still off. And if you are asking with regard to the screen, I've already asked them to place a tempered glass, just so that, again, in case I drop it, which hopefully I don't drop my phones in the near future, it doesn't get cracked up. So here, we're already opening the phone. So one of the reasons why I chose Samsung, because aside from it being AMOLED, if I pronounced that correctly, I just really like the design of a Samsung, which does produce good phones and which does have good reviews. So I ended with the A73. I'm just gonna set up my phone, and then I'll show you what I discovered while I was buying this phone. I'm such excited. Let's go! So here is what the phone looks like, just plain black. I really love the side as well. It looks neat, decent, especially the back. Like, it looks so clean and neat. Like, I feel like it looks so elegant. So one of the reasons why I decided to buy the phone, if you've noticed, is the look is elegant, even though it's not edge as what I'm used to. The design is still perfect for me. It looks aesthetic. The reason why I bought a new phone is because my existing phone, which is a Realme C12, so the phone is still in a good condition. It's still working. I mainly use it for my calls, for work purposes. However, I just needed a new phone that is more reliable and, you can say, fast. Because the reason why I decided to upgrade my phone is because this phone is already laggy. It has a delay in terms of applications when you try to switch back and forth, which so far, when I was exploring my phone, or when I was exploring this phone, the phone itself feels so good. When you switch in between applications, it doesn't feel laggy, and overall the feel, you can say, is really good. So what are the specs of this A73? So this A73, the screen is already super AMOLED, and plus it's already 120 Hz. So imagine how fast that would be in terms of you switching in between applications, and generally the feel of it. And aside from the screen being Super AMOLED, one of the features is the main camera. So while the main camera is 108 megapixels, the front camera is 32 megapixels, which is really not bad considering the price. And compared to other phones which are also giving, say, the same specs. So this is one of the reasons why, for me, this is a really good buy for its price. You go into the video of the phone, it already has like a video stabilizer or an image stabilizer. Another plus factor for the price of this phone. And another thing with the design which I really like, aside from the video stabilizer, one thing that I love about the phone camera for this A73 has like an object eraser. So let's say you're taking a picture outside, you want to lessen the objects, or you want to remove people who passed by when you took the photo, or you have a photo bomber. It already has a built-in, which is good. So you don't have to download any application. You don't have to learn how to edit. You don't have to learn how to blur or to remove. You just have to click it, like literally click it, and the object would be removed. Aesthetics aside, the specs is really good as well. The processor of this phone is 778G Snapdragon. It is 8GB RAM, good for a phone. I chose to make it like 256GB, just in case I need to update a lot of application and then stop a lot of pictures. I wouldn't have any trouble in terms of my storage. And something to note with this phone, so the battery span is 5000 milliamperes, and based on what Samsung is promoting, like if you just use it casually, your battery can last up to 2 days. I mean, even if it doesn't last up to 2 days, since it is fast charging, according to the one who sold it, it's roughly around less than an hour or so, which is still a good thing. You have longer battery span plus quick charging, which is a good combo, especially if you're a person who loves going outside and traveling, and plus using your phone once in a while. So I guess that would be it for this quick unboxing. I just really wanted to show you what the A73 looks like, in case you are wondering, and then how it feels like in terms of perspective. But then again, please do your own research. If you think there is a phone suited or more suited for you, I say go for it. But if you're looking for something within budget, I would suggest this one, A73 5G. Plus, if you buy, the suggested retail price of this is $29,990 if I'm not mistaken. But if you go to the Samsung store, it's less 1,000, so it's $28,990. If also you have any questions, feel free to leave comment down below. I'll try to answer your questions as much as possible. So if you've liked this video, don't forget to leave a like, don't forget to share, and of course, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't yet. So what's up, Frennies? This is the end. Till next review. Let's go!